Hi guys. So yesterday I did not make any video, and especially because of the exact same reason. I wanted to show you and I wanted to prove it to you that the plan must complete. And when a plan gets formulated, if you will trade this tiny move down, which is in red, you will never become or you'll never be a good trader because your eyes were not in the direction of the bigger move which was going to come. So the down move which we were having yesterday was just for gathering the liquidity, and today I don't even know what the CPI data came out like. I don't even know what is the inflation level of United States right now, but I knew one thing, that in the triggering of the event we were going to go up, and I was betting on this exactly. So the down move yesterday, the people who were making all sorts of inverse head and shoulder like this and hoping for this, they all got this green candle instead. Imagine those guys who shorted at the bottom of this green candle. Now imagine the pain when we will go up like this. So I think we should get our move up, because as I discussed in my previous video also, that we should coordinate our closing of the long with the DXY movement, and when the DXY will go down like this and touch this line, we should close our long. So do you see any do you see DXY touching this line as of now? No. So should I close my long right now? No. And looking at the distance that DXY is away from that line, and looking at these two targets, have they been met? The answer is no. So the first target is really very close, and the second target is a bit far away. So looking at the DXY is also quite a bit far away. So I think we will get our second target, 13680. We will get our second target when the DXY will fall. So this is what my plan is. Yesterday when the down move came, I did not close my longs. In fact, I added my position because I knew before CPI we would go up. So, and today we are up already, and I think we will continue going up until we reach one of these two targets, one of these two. Structure wise, the structure is complete, right? And we can go down now. But my experience tell me that we should touch either one of these two targets. And looking at the ES, I think we should go up to at least break the top. So I'm not going to short the market when I reach one of my targets. So once my target will be met, I will look to correlate my position or the down move with the matching of these two targets, 4247 or 4300. I think once one of these two targets will be met, I will look to coordinate my down move for the correction with clever insight. I'm not going to short blindly. because I am aware of this structure and I know this structure is signaling a very good up move. So my plan is only to look for this up move, and once my target will be met, I will look for the correction. And in fact, I might not trade at all during that time, and I will look to buy only. But I will see when the data will come. Right now, this is just conjecture. This is just talk in the air. This is just like building castles in the air. So we need to go day by day, target by target, piece by piece. So right now, we are looking for this piece in Euro USD, this up move and then down move. Gold, this up move and then down move. And NQ, I will hold my long till DXY touches my target. Day before yesterday, I got some people sent me very good comments, so I would take some time of yours to share them. One of the guy is Adam Qureshi, and he said, "You got me hooked on the channel." So I really appreciate this comment. I really liked it. So thank you very much, Adam, for saying this thing. It really increased my heart. And also, there was one more comment that I liked a lot. Yeah, from King Line Capital, and he said this thing, underrated channel, and he discussed a few things, and in the end he said, "Thank you for the videos, my favorite channel, man." Thank you, King Line. I am really glad you like the channel, and it's really nice to see this feedback from you. And also, we have got Aisha, who today wrote that when I today posted that the plan was complete. So no matter what happens, no matter what the data is, so she wrote me that you are making me believe your prediction so much that she is, she's violating her risk management rules, and she's, increasing the position so much. So that's why I told her not to, not to, break the risk management rule, because we are not traders, we are risk managers. This was the starting point of our whole journey. We started from this point, right? If you remember, if you're following me from the last 1 or 2 months, so I started from telling you guys that we are risk managers. Also, Edward, he told me that he is finally positive on the year, and today he closed the long, and now he is looking for the heard that the UAE billionaires are going short on the US market today. I don't know, man. And I don't care also. I don't listen to the news. So I think if the UAE billionaires are going to short the market, then I think they are going to end up being millionaires from being billionaires. I'm not looking for the bearish move right now. And I'm looking for my piece up right now, as of currently. And once my target will be met, I will then think of the, going short. But right now, as long as we have this, uh, we have this structure in ES, and we are here. So I'm very wary of the shorts. It can reach our targets, and I think it will correct only. And in my last video, I told you that 4,000 is almost like a concrete floor. So it's very difficult for 4,000 to break. So I think this correction will cause more up. So the UAE billionaires should be really careful, because you don't want them turning into millionaires because of this trade. Anyway, so we have Z also. He was really worried, and he was telling me that that up move that I was talking about in the NQ, is really small, and he said I should focus on the big move which is coming instead of focusing on the small move. I understand what he's trying to say. I used to make the same mistake also. It's not a mistake, it's about the like the way you trade. I used to always think for the bigger direction. So I used to end up shorting at the wrong time. So right now, so that's why I changed the approach, and I, instead of becoming a forecasting trader, I became a piece by piece trader. So right now my piece is going up. So I'm looking for the long. I know what you mean by that we can turn down from wave 2 from 1368. Yeah, we can turn down from that, but right now we have not even reached that level, or even 13,500. So right now I'm looking for touching my targets. Only then I will carefully look at the structure, carefully look at the data, and then I will go short. I will not go short over there blindly, because that trade can can work for 1 or 2 days. I may get a quick move down, but it can again take me out to it can again go back up to take me out. So I can either get lucky, or I can either not get lucky. I know 1368 or the break of the August high will cause a sort of a corrective move, but that's all it can get. So there's no guarantee that we are going to go down uh, and break the October low, or do a bigger correction even in the wave 2. So wave 2 and wave 4 are very tricky. So we need to be very careful. So when the down move will come, we will know, because the decline will not go down in straight line. It will go down like this, that after 13,680, the price will go down like this, and it will then correct like this. So you guys should enter here if you are bearish to take it down. If you will short 13,680, for example, here, it can go to 1400, 1500 also, 1600. And what if it's third wave that I discussed? It can forever take you out. What if Apple doesn't correct? So why are you trying to stop a bullet train? If you want to trade the wave 2 down, then wait for the first move down, and then wait for the correction to come in the wave 2 of the wave 2. This will be the wave 1, this will be the wave 2, and then we will take the wave 3 down, and then the wave 4, and then the wave 5. So this is how we will trade the second wave down. This is the bigger second wave. Or the structure will be like this. It will go down in the wave 1, wave A, and it will then correct in the wave B, and it will then go down in the wave C, and then it will make another ABC. It will be the X wave. This will be the bigger W, and then it will go down in the waves, 5 waves. It will be the Y. This will be the end of the bigger 2. W, X, Y. So when this will form, we will find out that this down move is coming. So this is how it is going to turn out. If you are going to expect the whole wave 2 to come in a single day, and if you are trying to short the bullet train without any plan, then it's not going to work in your favor in the long run. Because suppose I stop making videos from tomorrow, then what will you guys do? Will you guys again start trading without the plan? Because you will then ruin the whole exercise of me making the videos. In the last few weeks, I just demonstrated before you that whatever happens is because of the plan. And until that plan is complete, everything is noise. So I'm not listening to the CPI noise. I'm not listening to the What is that? The bankruptcy of United States noise. I know we need to go here first, either here or here, before any chance. And if it will start to go down, it will first go down like this, and then it will do something like this, and then we will take this down. When this will come, we will know. It will give us a clear direction. Like here, like here. We will find out, and then we can do a safer trade, like here. So you guys must follow the plan. Don't try to short a bullet train, because right now it is a bullet train. I'm telling you, don't listen to Ron Walker right now. I've got no problem with Ron Walker. He's a good trader, but he will manage the risks, and you guys will not. And then you guys will blow up the account. And then he will say he will turn bullish in one day. And you guys will be left short here. So wait for, I think right now, I think it will break up before any chance of correction. So let it break up. Stop. There's no need to talk about shorts right now. Try to scalp the up move to our targets. This is what I would do. So what do you think about this strategy? And do you think that the fact that I was not bothered about what the data is going to be, and the fact that I was betting on reaching my target, do you think it was a wise move, or should I have gone flat before the news came out? Because when the news comes out, most people miss out on the bigger move which comes with the news, because they are afraid that price can either do this or do this. So, and because they have no plan, they end up going flat, and they miss out on the big move. And this was a pretty good move. This is a daily chart that I'm showing you right now. So this was a good move. You could make a lot of money. So our plan remains the same. We will continue long till we reach one of these two targets. And we will coordinate and keep an eye on DXY. And at least I will not short the bullet train. I'm really afraid of this structure. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And if I added some value in your life with my video today, then please like my video so that I can continue being part of your trading journey. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.